guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I am in y'all Airbnb. Christmas season was kind of busy, so I finally have some time, to come in, do some deep cleaning, and of course, well, I'm actually going to the gym. So here I am. But what I'm gonna do, remember I promised you in one of the last videos that I was gonna show you my banana smoothie, my oatmeal banana smoothie. Well, Chrissy called it protein shake, right? So I'm gonna show y'all how I do my banana protein shake. Okay, guys. Well, the red bananas then finished. The red bananas that we got from Phuket River and Clarendon, they are done. So what I have are the JP bananas, the ones that are sold in the supermarket here in Kingston. Of course, Benjamin is in the shot and want to try something. Benjamin and his mother, welcome.
Hello, everyone.
I don't want Benjamin on my counter. So the ingredients I will be using are ripe bananas, oatmeal, suppligen, get the oats, get the suppligen. You remember that cartel song?
Do you remember that cartel song?
Yeah, I remember that cartel song. For me, I like the punch protein shake with suppligen. They like it with vanilla lasco. So I'm gonna do theirs with lasco and mine with the peanut punch. I'm gonna put a little flax seed and chia seed in it, black chia seed, cinnamon, and vanilla. And that's it. So let's make Sophie's special protein shake.
The banana. Banana.
So I cut the ripe bananas. I'm using two ripe bananas. And the measurement for the oatmeal, you're not going to get that. I am just going to add until the ancestors say stop. Okay? That's exactly what I'm going to do.
You can just grab it. It is recording.
The ancestors say stop. Alright, so that's that. I'm gonna add a little bit of whole flaxseed. I really didn't know nothing about flaxseed and chia seed. So thanks to Sasha from my previous workplace. She introduced me to these. Same thing, I'm not measuring nothing, I'm just adding flaxseed until the ancestors say stop, and they just said stop. This one I'm just gonna add until the ancestors say stop. Benjamin is excited to try it.
He loves it.
I think that's enough. And for the last one, I'm going to use like half of this pack. I don't know how many ounces or how many grams that work out to, but it's half of this pack. Half of a 4.2 ounce pack or a 120 gram pack.
Half?
That looks like half. It is a half.
Don't put more.
That's a half. Benjamin pull a pack of biscuits. Chrissy, take them up.
Eat it.
A quart of vanilla. I don't have a teaspoon or a tablespoon. I actually do have teaspoon and tablespoon. Guys, right here.
Hey, stop.
Here in this drawer is like my cutlery drawer. You have your bottle opener, egg lifter, fork, spoon, knives, scissors. Yeah, all of those things. And for the cinnamon powder, a little bit. The ancestors say stop, so no, I stop. Alright? So to this one, sometimes I add cubes of ice, sometimes I add water. This time I'm going to add water.
Can you put the ice in it, please?
You want ice in it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Chrissy wants ice, so I'm going to put ice in hers. Only have like 6 cubes though.
So no ice for you.
No, I'm not gonna put any ice in mine. I'm doing mine with
Yes,
the yeah. It's not cold, but I'm gonna put it on the fridge for a while. Thank you, guys.
Ben, say hi everybody. Say hi.
So
You
guys,
can't
this is
stop
a great
eating.
meal pre and post workout. This is a great pre-workout meal and also post-workout meal. It's very good.
Very protein filled.
Protein filled and it has glow food in it. Banana is a glow food.
I don't remember.
It's a grow food.
I don't remember.
It has grow food, so you can grow some glutes. And it has go food in it. You see those seeds? They're actually go foods. They'll make you go. Likewise the ripe bananas. Likewise the oatmeal too. So you have grow food, glow food, and go food. It's an all-in-one meal. Thick, rich,
Like me.
Sofia's thick, rich like Shari. That's what she says.
I was
I'm
saying like
thick.
Sofia.
I'm thick and she's rich.
I was saying.
We're both thick and rich. Alright, thick, rich like Sofia. Cheers. And cheers to y'all. Enjoy.
Perfect.
Guys, if you've never tried this type of protein shake, try it and let me know what you think about it. You understand me? Like, you don't have to waste a lot of money on protein powder in the health stores, in the health food stores, or, you know? Oh yeah, I'm drinking Jenna's. Jenna, I should have just said cheers and then put it back, because this is Jenna's with the lasco in it, while mine is with the peanut punch. Oh my. Now I gotta put the remainder down for Jenna, and this for Jenna as well. So now guys,
I'm gonna lift up my sister, you know, guys.
yeah, she love her sister. Jenna would be looking out for her too. So guys, I am going to make mine now with the suppligen. Yeah, because maybe Carter is gonna stop by one day and I can make him this sponge, because I think it might help him and see them, you know, in these times of no babies. Guys, me and Cartel go way back, you know. Me and Cartel go way back. As a matter of fact, it's probably me in make up that song offer with the suppligen and the oatmeal, because we go way back.
Can you please not tell anybody that? That's not true, okay, guys? That's
Oh,
not
you know
true.
that? How much do you know about your mother?
I hope that
How
my mother
much?
it was not influencing Cartel to sing that song.
She's still my child, so certain things I have to say, like, you know, uncensored around her, like really and truly. But you don't know everything about your mother.
You're disturbing me and the people and your passengers.
Guys, I hope we're not.
They are.
Right? I'm gonna make my smoothie now. Meal, the
Benji.
ripe banana, black flaxseed, chia seed, vanilla, cinnamon, and Chrissy wants me to use half a can of suppligen because she's watching the calories, but I ain't. Anyways, guys, she's a little flustered because I just told her that Vibes Cartel may be her father. The older our children grow, the more they will learn about us. They don't have to learn everything all at once. Sometimes their little brains are too little to understand everything.
I have a whole baby. What am I not supposed to understand?
So why are you acting like that when I said he may be your father?
Because Cartel is not my father.
You don't know. How do you know that?
I know my father. You know your baby father.
You know the person I told you is your father.
father.
You know the person whose
You know
last
your
name
baby
you have.
father. The cartel sing that too.
Yes, it's Cartel sing that say. I don't know who that one was for, but that one wasn't for me.
Clearly, that one was for you.
Maybe he was throwing words at me. I don't know. I don't know. But he knows. He knows. Trust me. If he didn't know all this time, he knew last year. Anyways, guys, let's get on with our shaking. So, guys, cheers again. Sofia's special protein shake. I love peanut suppligen, so I put that in it. You can put yours with vanilla suppligen. Huh?
Yours smells better than
She says mine smells better than hers, which is true. It tastes better too.
Yes.
Me not a lasco mom or a lasco, you know? Guys, remember I said, this is a whole meal. You don't have to cook.
Look at that, thick and rich.
Thick and rich, like me. So this, I'll have it pre-workout, so I can have it in the mornings, post-workout in the mornings, in the middle day, in the night, whenever. It's a meal that you can have whenever. And with this, you don't have to go cook no big pot of yam, banana and dumpling. You know, the things that we love and all white flour and white rice. No. This is a meal. Right? So guys, we're getting fit for 2026. And we're staying fit for 2026 and beyond. So, if you're new here and you haven't already subscribed, please do. Guys, I'm going to put the link to my Airbnb in the comments. So, if you want to book this cozy condo here, Sofia's cozy condo, you can visit our Airbnb link. And if you are a returning subscriber, I am happy to have you here again. Please come back and I'll see you in the next one. Chrissy, do you want to say bye?
Bye for now.
They're not seeing you.
Bye for now. I want my mouth full of oats.
My mouth full of oats.
Bye bye. Say bye.
Say bye. Bye.
Benji. There you go. Hold on.
By the way, guys, Cartel is not her father. That was just good banter between mother and the daughter. But she's still worried. She don't trust me anymore. Look at her face. Bye, guys.